Hey, I just want to say, this is Wesley's back from camp. He was at camp for a week, and the first thing he wanted to do is have a jacuzzi tub at Uncle Ken's. You're being silly. Were your feet all dirty, mister?
Yeah, my feet are definitely dirty.
Look how dirty they were. Wow. Well, you had a good time?
Yeah, great time. Wet the stove. Don't tell me I like the show.
You getting anywhere?
I'm doing the easy for you.
What are you doing?
Making a drink.
Making a drink out of what? You spilt all your rum on the table.
Bryce,
what?
Give me a break.
Thought it was a water leak. That'll teach you to put the cap back on.
It was an accident, Bryce.
Oh, there's our peanuts for the chipmunks. Got that at the local hardware store. But we can't feed the chipmunks right now because it's pouring rain out. Look at that rain. It's downpour out there. Whoa, there's some lightning. Crazy lightning. We've been blessed with beautiful weather for the half week we were up here until today. Today was supposed to be bright and sunshiny. I think the weatherman was a little wrong. I think he made an error. I think he erred.
What?
I think the weatherman erred.
It's having kind of nipply though, right?
A little nipply, yep. What'd you say?
What do I say?
What'd you say to me?
I think you added too many bubbles.
Who added too many?
You turned on the bubbles.
I didn't add any soap.
Yeah,
I just put straight water in. Did you put in a bar of soap?
I was using soap. Oh.
Well, you can barely see it.
That's gonna be like impossible if I put my own bare hands when I come up.
Well, lie down.
Okay. I like that.
You look like a polar bear.
Yeah. So cold.
You look like George Washington. You look like an old man. Got gray hair.
Ah! I want gray hair.
Schmookaroo! Schmooky! Hey, Duker. Dukeroo!
Today's Dave, and congratulations to Max for
What do you want? You want a kiss? You want a kiss? Huh?
I'm sure that Max will enjoy it. Congratulations to all our winners today who picked up a copy of Sarah Evans' Stronger CD. Now, coming up next hour, we've got a really interesting prize pack that we'll give away, so stick around for that. And we'll be back right after this with Joe Nichols and Trish Cotton.
Hey folks, you've been hearing all about the enormous F-150 sales event here at Big Number 1 Berry Ford. Well, we're here today to give you a little kick in the pants to get you down here today.
Hey, Westamon,
Yeah.
you on Grandpa's e-reader? Now look over. There's Duke playing your DS.
Hey.
Duke's playing the DS. And Wesley's on the e-reader.
2 games.
Look at Duker.
2 games in 1.
Yeah.